Father's Day is coming up, and when I asked him what he wanted for his Father's Day dinner, he said steak and lobster. Well, he knows we're having about 20 people over, so he said that in jest, but I thought I am up for that challenge. How can I make steak and lobster affordable for 20 people? I'm going to take a little bit of steak and a little bit of lobster, add a lot of vegetables, and make steak and lobster skewers with a beautiful herby marinade / sauce. So ask and ye shall receive steak and lobster skewers for Father's Day. For your herb sauce, add the shallots, the red wine vinegar, the garlic, the red pepper flakes, a bunch of herbs. This is cilantro and parsley. Use what you have. Any blend is going to be great. A pinch of salt, and a good glug of olive oil, and get this all blended up. I microwave some baby new potatoes just for a few minutes to get them slightly soft so that they'll grill at the same time as everything else. And then I add all my vegetables. I have mushrooms, I have zucchini, I have roasted red pepper, or just red pepper. It will be roasted on the grill. You can use whatever you want. And then I'm gonna add in my steak, my filet that I've cut up into smaller pieces, and some lobster that I've cut up into smaller pieces. And then I'm gonna add some of that sauce. That will be our marinade. And then give it a good mix. And then we'll have to put everything on skewers. These look so good. I'm gonna take them over to my griddle pan and grill it because it's raining outside. These are looking so good, and they're getting a little bit of char on the veg. Nice.